Hello, what's up beautiful people, welcome back to MP World and welcome to another solution based video on my channel, and I hope all of you are doing really fine. So in this video today I will show you how to add your card details or how to add payment method on your iPhone. So on my hand this is iPhone 13 Pro Max and this phone is running iOS version 15.2, which is latest one. So make sure your iOS version is up to date, because if you want to add your card details obviously you have to update your iOS version. Now let's move to the card or payment or shipping section, which is at the top, we can see here. So before starting the method I want to tell you one thing. I will show you how to add your card details on your iPhone, and you can add your debit and credit card, or if you have Master or Visa card. And I will also show you how to add your payment details if you get any trouble for adding your card details. Then I will show you the secondary method for adding your payment details on your iPhone. Now you have to tap on the top for adding your card details. Inside settings you can find this, and we can see here payment and shipping option. So inside payment and shipping option you have to sign in your Apple ID. So if you use your Face ID then obviously no need to type your passcode. And you can see here, like on my Apple ID there is some money. So I live in India right now. Now tap on the add payment method. So after tapping add payment method we will get this option, and inside this you can add your card number and expiry date number and CVV number. And CVV number is actually located on your card backside. Like if you flip your card then you will get your CVV number. So, and I want to tell you one more thing about expiry date. So on card there is two-digit number on your card, but you have to enter your expiry date number. Like if it's 2024 you have to type full, like 4-digit, so 2024. So that's it, and then you will be able to add your card details on your iPhone. Now tap down here and let's see what happens after this. Okay, it's showing error message or decline. That means card is not adding. So I don't know why this is showing this and why the card payment is not adding here. But now I will show you the second method for adding your payment details. So here you can see the second method is net banking. You can add your net banking here. But if the first method worked perfectly then there is no need to add your net banking details here. But on my phone the card details did not add. Now I will show you how to add your net banking or internet banking details here, and after this you will be able to purchase anything. Now you have to select the net banking option here, and after that you have to select your specific bank, like whatever bank you have. So I will okay, here you can see the few options, but I will add funds to my Apple ID. That's why I'm selecting this option. And you can add any type of amount on your Apple ID. So I will take 2000 rupees from my card to my Apple ID. And now you have to confirm with Face ID, or if you have Touch ID then you have to confirm with your Touch ID. So after this you will pop up like this option, like online profile option. So this is SBI online profile username and password option. So if I put my online password, ID and password, then amount will be added to my Apple ID. And thank you for watching guys, and if you like my video please share and subscribe my channel, and I will come with another solution based video in next week. And if you get any trouble for adding your card details, please let me know on my comment section below. I will obviously try to help you as much I can.